Unraveling the Mystery, Following a Phantom. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the intriguing phrase, following a phantom. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your English comprehension. So, let's unravel this mystery together and explore how this phrase can be used in everyday English. Following a phantom refers to the act of pursuing something that is illusory, unattainable, or non-existent. A phantom is something that appears real or possible but is actually a figment of the imagination, like a ghost or a mirage. When we say someone is following a phantom, we imply they are chasing after dreams or goals that are either not real or impossible to achieve. Phantoms in literature and culture often symbolize the unreachable, the lost, or the haunting memories of the past. They represent things that lure us with their appeal but are fundamentally elusive. When applied to personal ambitions or desires, following a phantom can indicate a deep-seated yearning for something that might never be fulfilled. 1. Chasing fame. An aspiring actor relentlessly pursuing a breakthrough role, ignoring the practical aspects of their career, can be said to be following a phantom. 2. Unrequited love. Someone who continues to pine for a love interest who does not reciprocate their feelings is following a phantom. 3. Idealistic pursuits. A person striving for a perfect society or an ideal state of being, despite clear evidence of its impracticality, is also an example of following a phantom. You can use following a phantom in both writing and speech to describe situations where people are engrossed in futile pursuits. It's particularly effective in narrative and descriptive contexts, where you want to evoke the emotional resonance of chasing after something elusive. Understanding the phrase, following a phantom, enriches your English vocabulary with a tool for describing deep, often poignant human experiences. It captures the essence of our pursuits, dreams, and sometimes the futility of chasing what cannot be caught. We hope this exploration helps you grasp not just the meaning but the emotional weight of the phrase. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.